Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video, let's now we are going to unbox one mobile in this video. Actually, this Redmi 10A, guys. Today we are going to unbox this smartphone only. Actually, I have purchased this product in Amazon.in at rupees cost of 6,999. It's around 7,000 rupees in Indian rupee. Actually, there is a 3 GB RAM and 32 GB variant. Okay, before this, just we will do this unboxing, guys. Later I will explain these features. First, we will do this unboxing. Just first we will do this. Just open this box out and take it out. It's good. Here you can see here's the Redmi 10A octa-core processor and 5000 mAh battery. It's good. Okay, India's most trusted smartphone brand. And see Redmi 10A, Redmi based Xiaomi. And okay, we need to remove this tape, guys, actually. And here you can see 5000 mAh battery, fingerprint sensor, 13 MP primary camera, and it is powered by Helio G25 with hyper engine. It's good. It's a MediaTek processor, it seems. Okay, before that, we need to remove this first. Let's come on, just I need to remove this. And okay, guys, finally we have removed these tapes both side. Now it's time to take this box. Actually, it's very tight, seems. Okay, here we need to remove it perfectly. It's not removed it out. Okay, and removed. And here you can see, guys, here's the smartphone. Actually, this is a budget smartphone, guys. Just take this out. Okay, keep it aside, guys. Just first we'll check it out, what are the things they have given inside this box. Okay, let's take this out. They have provided here one quick start guide, and here's the SIM injector tool, and here's the adapter, guys, power adapter and cable for charging. For this power adapter, here's the cable. I think it seems it's not a type C. Okay, guys, just keep this aside and take this box out. And here's the smartphone, guys, Redmi 10A. That's first thing, we need to remove this cover. Okay, it's good. Okay, guys, let's come on. It's now time to turn it on. It's good. Actually, I need to remove this, but anyway, currently I'm not having any tempered glass scratch card. Just I'm keeping this as it is, so only I'm not removing this top layer cover. Okay, it's turning on. Just a minute, wait. Actually, it's good, guys. At rupees 7,000, the smartphone is good. There's a basic budget smartphone, actually. It's loading. And okay, here you can see. And okay, guys, here you can see MIUI 12.5. Just click next, and just I'm selecting a language, English. Okay, India, it's good. Next, yeah, come on. Okay, we need to agree this terms and conditions, then click next. Okay, checking for SIM card. Just I'm going to skip this out. Currently I'm not having a SIM card. And okay, Wi-Fi, just I will connect this later, guys. Just skip. Okay, Google services, just read this and click accept. And okay, only lock screen or fingerprint sensor if you need. It's asking, no issues. If you need means you can set yourself at this time of setup itself, guys. But later I'm going to do this steps and all. Just I'm going to skip this. Okay, this is the additional settings options. If you are not interested in this any of this thing means you can disable that. Just click next and then click agree. Okay, here you can see this is the launcher styles, guys. One is a classic launcher and another is a app drawer. You can see anything you can select. This I'm going to select a classic itself. Just next. Okay, now setup is completed. It's loading apps, seems. And the CPU clock speed is 2 GHz, guys, and the screen size is 6.53 inch. Okay, and it has a octa-core Helio G25 processor and 5000 mAh battery, guys. Okay, it's loading some apps. Seems it's taking some time. Yeah, come on, still loading. And guys, before this I have forgot to show the backside of this mobile phone. That is the main thing. Here you can see here's the camera. It's just designed like some kind of a square type, you can see, and here's the branding Redmi, and I think here's the fingerprint sensor. You can see, just we need to keep like this, and there's a blue color actually, see blue. Okay, it's still loading. Yeah, come on, it's taking some time. And okay guys, you can see finally now setup is got completed. It's good. And let's check a camera first. It's asking to agree. Let's agree. You can see. Okay, while using the camera quality is also good at this price range. It's a worthy phone only. It's good. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. And regarding this video, that's all guys. Finally we have completed this unboxing of this smartphone. And okay guys, if you having any queries or doubt, means just ask in a comment section. I will reply definitely. And okay guys, do like and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.